morning, everyone. It's Saturday, September the 29th, I believe. Anyhow, I am sitting on Highway 41, right outside of Wallace. Actually sitting in front of the backside of River Landing entrance. It's a very well-known, statewide known. I don't know about nationwide known, but anyhow, it's a very, very well-to-do gated community with multi-million-dollar homes, lavish golf course, pool. But anyhow, I wanted to get to the beginning safely with all these cars go by, but I wanted to get to the beginning of all of the flooded homes to show everyone what it looks like on the outskirts of Wallace. And technically it's called Northeast. It's a community. They have a fire department, but that's about it as far as an actual town. But anyhow, this is where the flooding began, and actually it was inside of River Landing, but it would be like that side of River Landing, where the river actually is. This place here was an old nursery. Their clothes actually moved like a year ago, but all these homes were flooded out. The windows are open. Just piles of swing sets in the ditch. This triple wide mobile home right here, they were flooded out in 1999 and actually purchased that double wide, and here we are 20 years later, and they are having to, I don't know what's going on out there, but they are having to do the same thing all over again. They'll probably, take the money from FEMA to be fixed, but this is sad. It's very sad, and I haven't even gone a full mile yet, and no one lives there. That's an actual body shop, but look at all this stuff. Dressers, beds. It's sad. My babysitter moved into this trailer a couple years ago, but she's a lady who actually babysat me whenever I was little. They were completely flooded out. This house right here, not even 5 years old, and they were completely gutted. So, a lot of people have, from what you can tell, a lot of people have already started cleaning out, trying to get everything out and dry it as much as possible. Everyone down that road there flooded out. They actually don't have their windows up. This here used to be an old restaurant called Kavanaugh Supper House. We're now in the Northeast community. I'm actually fixing to ride by my brother-in-law's house. They have their windows up. Dang, look at all that stuff. Red Cross is actually out here today. Oh, there they are right now. Too busy looking out in front of me as opposed to what's on the camera. Red Cross is out here today, giving out tons of stuff. My brother-in-law's house, that's his single wide right there. Everything has already been taken out and thrown out. This house here was flooded in Hurricane Matthew and Hurricane Floyd as well. They're going to rebuild. But look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff. This entire mobile home part was in my last video that I accidentally edited without sound. This entire mobile home part was underwater. I don't know why the people haven't been back to gut out. That one there has, but there's a lot of trailers in there that still have everything boarded up and the windows up. They haven't been in there to clean it out yet. I don't get it. Check out this trash. We just came across part of the creek, but I mean, all that trash. And we're still in the northeast area, the northeast community. It's still Wallace, but it's considered northeast community. Refrigerator out. I've seen hot water heaters out by the road. We're actually getting out more into the country. Then we're gonna go to Chinquapin, North Carolina, which is where the major bridge overflowed and sends the water this way. But as I'm riding from where it started, the first bit of debris on the side of the road by that first bridge, or by that guardrail bridge, right beside the backside of River Landing, that's where everything was flooded. All of this that you're seeing is flooded. I mean, look, but nothing out by the road to clean up. There's a debris trailer right there. Those windows are up on that house. I mean, nobody actually lives at this house right now, nor this house. They usually sow corn out by that tree. But where I started filming, all of this was underwater. I mean, every bit until I get to my ending point, all of this was underwater. But this wasn't on the news. This wasn't on the Weather Channel. The Weather Channel, this house here, I mean, a gorgeous house underwater. That place there is called the Peak Supper House. They sell chicken every Saturday. Open every Saturday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. They were underwater. Look, refrigerator laying in the ditch. I mean, the Weather Channel didn't put all of this on the news, but they put Chinquapin, you know, but literally all the water from the Chinquapin Bridge, I mean, they actually calculated the radius, or technically diameter, of all the water that came out, and it was a stretch of over 15 miles circumference. I mean, a lot of homes. That's nothing new. He sells and repairs refrigerators. But these homes were flooded out in Matthew. Got power line trucks out there. We're actually near a bridge called Deep Bottom Bridge. It's not the same as the Chinquapin Bridge, but it floods out as well. And Deep Bottom Bridge is a high bridge. But I mean, everything that I've been riding for the last 8 minutes, all of this was underwater. Everything. Deep Bottom Road. I'm on a busy highway, so I can only go but so slow. These homes out here in Chinquapin actually were able to start demolishing and gutting out before Northeast was, because the water receded a lot quicker out here. So a lot of these homes have already started the beginning stages of repair. They've actually been working on this mobile home for about a week now. But I mean, all of these homes, now mind you, this is still outside of Wallace going into Chinquapin, but I mean, all of these homes, everything for the last 9 minutes underwater. And the Weather Channel only wants to show Chinquapin. But at least Chinquapin was on the news. I mean, sad situation for why, but people don't understand. Chinquapin is like, nothing is there except for a convenience store called Buck's Corner, a post office, our fire department, and a Family Dollar, and that's it. And the Chinquapin restaurant. There's a mobile home. Everything already thrown out. Stuff thrown out from that house. I mean, 10 minutes of riding going 50 mile an hour. And, I mean, it's never ending. Amazing what that Cape Fear River can do. Like I said, when she gets a lot of rain, she does not play nice. She does not play nice at all. There used to be a single wide that was here, but after Matthew, they literally tore it down, and I don't know where that family went. Now these two houses, I really do feel bad for them. I remember seeing this exact same situation just after Hurricane Matthew, and here we are, same situation. And we're really close to the, there's the Missouri Disaster Relief helping gut these houses that were just flooded. This church just flooded after Hurricane Matthew, and here they are again, right back at Hurricane Florence. Refrigerator over there. Sorry about that. This place right here, they repair ATVs and motorcycles. They've been gutted out, everything of theirs. But here we are. This is the Chinquapin Bridge. Try to get into focus. This is the Chinquapin Bridge that flooded, helped flood everything around here. But the Cape Fear River that runs parallel to Highway 41, that's what did the damage for the Northeast community and some of the Deep Bottom Roads. But I mean, there are so many different roads that I can take all down to show y'all. You know, more damaged homes. Northeast Road, the highway that we're still on is Highway 41, but before I got to my brother-in-law's, that whole road, every single house and mobile home has already been gutted. But I mean, I've shown house after house, mobile home after mobile home. You know, several churches around here where pews are thrown out by the road, hymn books are out by the road, and I mean, it's just sad. It's very sad. And the floods. Now we're coming into Chinquapin right now, and the floods came all the way up, or all the way out to, I think, from what I've been told, just past the post office. But I mean, look, there's pews, insulation. But this is what was on the Weather Channel, but they were flying in from the opposite direction of the way that I'm coming in. But this was on the Weather Channel, this building right here. This is on the Weather Channel. That church right there was on the Weather Channel. I'm not sure if they were in a chopper or if it was done by a drone. Probably a drone. But all of this of what you're seeing was on the Weather Channel. These mobile homes right here were underwater. You barely could see the roofs on them. Barely could see the roofs on the footage that was on the Weather Channel. Oh look, there's a postal retail store, a little van, post office van. And actually, I think I've been given wrong information. I didn't realize that it came all the way out here. So I guess maybe the waters made it all the way this way. Had to have. Here we are at Bugs Corner in Chinquapin, North Carolina. I knew that I was going a little bit fast than what maybe y'all would like, but like I said, 41 is a very busy highway, and you got pig feed trucks that are behind me, and We've had so many records. I bet you I've seen over 200 wreckers in the last 3 days hauling in and out vehicles. And every single vehicle has their windows down. It's sad. Selling flooded cars and taking them up north or down south out of the area, and someone is going to buy a flooded car and don't even realize it. It's disgusting that someone could do something like that. It's just disgusting. I'm going to turn around and film this little bit right here at Chinquapin Elementary School. I didn't realize that this was a either a shelter or disaster site for goods, but apparently it is. It's kind of big trailer. Chinquapin Elementary. He said, no pictures, no pictures. But anyhow, that's it, y'all. Just want to show y'all the 10-minute ride from outskirts of Wallace to Chinquapin, North Carolina, to all the flooded homes that have been impacted. Hopefully they will get all the help that they need, and I pray to gosh they've already got their claim in. Never actually heard how the process goes, but I was informed this morning by someone's dad that I went to high school with them, and he said that FEMA is coming out to their house, and the first option will be giving them money to fix their home, or you can sell out. But he said that he's actually going to take the money to repair, and then FEMA will come back in later and buy them out. So, I mean, that's getting money from FEMA 2 times. I don't see how that can work from the government, but anyhow, I know nothing about FEMA and its policies and whatnot. Pretty sure I'll know more if I ask my father-in-law what's going on with that property that he owns over in Northeast, or my brother-in-law's. But anyhow, y'all, hope y'all have a good day wherever you are in the world. Toodles. Bye.